Here's a selection in Adobe Photoshop, and I go here to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and it's not applying the blurring only to that selection but to the outside also. So how to stop that thing and make it apply the blur only to the selection? Well, here on the right side on layers, you can open and close layers with F7. We have the picture, it's that one which is missing now, but we also have a smart filter here, and when that smart filter is present, then it's not applying the blur only to the selection but outside also. So right click on that smart filter, clear smart filters, that will delete it. Okay, and now if I go back to filters, blur and Gaussian blur, then it is applying the blurring only to the selected zone. So make sure there is no filter here. With undo, that smart filter is not present, and then Photoshop will blur only the desired location.